Okay, welcome to the next tutorial of JavaScript. In this tutorial, we will try to learn some new concepts of JavaScript. In this case, we will be introducing a statement which can enable a window alert box. So what I can do is, I can write down this code in the script tag. Here we should ensure that the script tag should lie either between the body or the HTML head. So here I have placed the script tags under the body tags. So script tag now contains window.alert method, and this method has been showing one text which is hello world. So if you have this file available with you, what we can do, we can run this file by right click on the file and choosing the second option, which is run file. So the moment you run this file, you will see that there is a window which appears as an alert because it is this sign of exclamation here. So it is an alert window, and it shows the text hello world. So if we click the OK button, then we move back to the HTML page, and this is the text which was there in the file and heading 1. So it appears as the output. In the second example, now what we have done, we have changed a bit about that particular code. Now we will be making use of an if then else statement or the if statement. In this example, I have included if statement, and if we find something which is a confirmation box which confirms the user to go to the Google page. So if it is a confirmation, you'll be again having an OK button only, and the moment you click the OK button, then this confirm page will return us a true value, and therefore we will be moving to this particular statement, which is document.location is equal to a URL, and this URL is nothing but that of the Google web page. So if we run this code by again right clicking this file, and if you choose run, you see we have a confirmation page. The moment if we click OK here, then it will return true, and if we click cancel, it will return false. But since we have not handled the situation where we will click a cancel button, so I only click the OK button to see. So here you see I have been transferred to the Google page, www.google.com. So this is another example, and in the next one, now in the third example, what we have done is we have put this particular if then if statement into a script function. So we have declared that go to Google method is a function in case of the script, and it contains the if condition of moving to the Google web page. Now this particular function will be called only on the occurrence of certain event. And what is that event? To have the event, what we have done is we have put a text test in the HTML file, and we have a tag which leads to some outside reference. But here the href is indicated as a hash value. Hash value means that we are not supposed to move anywhere. But on click of this particular text, we have a hyperlink and we are actually calling on click, we are calling the go to Google method. So the pair of parentheses here shows that you are calling a method and that method is a script. Therefore, what we do is we add a semicolon at the end of this method. Now, if we run this code by again right clicking the file and choosing the run file option, what we see is we see a text written on the web page. And what is that web page text? It is test. Let me show you by magnifying it. And now if I click this particular text, then if statement executes the confirmation box, and if I click OK, then I will lead to a Google page. So this is the Google page, and therefore what we have done, we have learned. Now what we have learned in this section or the second lesson of JavaScript, that how to use the code for giving some window alerts, how to code something to get the confirmation box with some text, how to use an if statement. You can extend it to if then else or any other conditional statement. And lastly, we have also seen how to use a function in case of JavaScript and how to call that particular function on the occurrence of some events, which in our case we have applied an event on the click of a text. So this was the section which briefs you about functions and moving from one page to another using JavaScript tags. That's all for the lesson number 2. Do subscribe the channel, like it, and recommend to your friends also. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.